Hello dear students, welcome back to physics online class. So we have been discussing about that specific heat capacity in terms of adiabatic constant. So ಯಾವ equations ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. So in that last video we discussed that specific heat capacity in terms of adiabatic constant. So adiabatic constant ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಲ್ಲಿ? So it is the ratio of specific heat capacity at constant pressure to that of constant volume is constant answer. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾನು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೀಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೀಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಎರಡನ್ನು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅನುಪಾತ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ನನಗೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಾನು ಅಡಿಯಾಬೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ that fraction of heat supply at constant volume is utilized for that increase in internal energy or change in internal energy. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ fraction of heat supply ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? So denominator ವಿಲೋಮ ಅನುಪಾತದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ನನಗೆ heat quantity ಇರಬೇಕು. Look at here, fraction of heat supply, fraction of heat supply at constant volume is used for. So ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೀಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ರೂಪದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನಾನು? du by dq. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 by gamma. In last class we derived, so I am not supposed to derive once again, just will write the formula here. ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಗ ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ? ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ, ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ heat supply at constant pressure. At constant pressure we can consider. At constant pressure is used for. So pressure constant iddu yavudಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? It is used for external work done. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? External work done. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ರೂಪದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? dw by dq. ಹೌದಾ? which is equal to gamma minus of 1 divided by gamma. this is the answer. ಹೌದಾ? ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಫಾರ್ monoatomic gas, for diatomic gas and as well as for triatomic gas. look at here, we can discuss that change in internal energy as well as external work done for monoatomic gas, diatomic gas as well as triatomic gas. Here gamma represents that ratio of Cp by Cv. In that previous video we got that gamma for monoatomic gas is, so gamma is equal to 5 by 3. Gamma for diatomic gas is, so gamma value is 7 by 5 and gamma for triatomic gas, so that value is 4 by 3. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಸೊ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೋನೋ ಡೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈಅಟೋಮಿಕ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಫಾರ್ monoatomic gas, ಹೌದಾ? ಫಾರ್ monoatom ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಮೋನೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಫಾರ್ monoatomic gas. monoatomic ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಗೆ ಗಾಮಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 5 by 3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? 1 divided by 5 by 3. ಸೊ 1 divided by 5 by 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಛೇದದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ 3 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಇಂಟು 100. ಹೌದಾ? du by dq into 100. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಹೌದಾ, ಏನಂತ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 60% ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ಫಾರ್ monoatomic ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಷ್ಟು 60%. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? dw by dq into 100 which is equal to, look at here, directly I will take the formula. Gamma andre nilli gamma value for monatomic gas is 5 by 3. Directly I will take that value 5 by 3 minus of 1 divide by 5 by 3 into 100. ಹೌದಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, dW divide by dq into 100 which is equal to 3 minus of 5 minus of 3, that is 2 by 3 whole divide by 5 by 3 into 100. 3 term will getting cancel out. Look at here. dW by dq into 100 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ 40%. Look at here, du by dq for monoatomic gas is 60% and dW by dq for monoatomic gas is 40%. In the similar way, for diatomic as well as triatomic we can consider. Look at here, for diatomic gas, ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ diatomic gas ಗೆ gamma value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, gamma value which is equal to 7 by 5. Look at here, directly I will take the value du by dq into 100 which is equal to 1 divided by 7 by 5. 7 divided by 5 means that is 5 by 7 into 100 we can consider, or I can take that 500 by 7%. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 500 by 7% ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದೇ ಥರ dW by dq into 100, so which is equal to, so ಏನಂತಿದೆ, gamma minus of 1 divide by gamma. gamma ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ diatomic ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಗೆ 7 by 5 minus of 1 divide by 7 by 5 into 100, so which is equal to 7 minus of 5, 2 here, 2 by 5 whole divide by 7 by 5, so into 100. So in terms of percentage, right, so that is 200 by 7% for diatomic gas. Hope you get this thing. Similarly we can find out for triatomic gas. Look at here, just I will rub out. So triatomic gas ಗೆ gamma value ಏನಂತ ಇದೆ, so that is 4 by 3. So for triatomic gas, next we'll look after for triatomic gas. For triatomic gas, for triatomic gas, its value is 4 by 3. First one, du by dq, note it, into 100, same thing, 1 by gamma, 1 divided by 4 by 3, that is 3 by 4 into 100. So 25 into 3, that is 75%. du by dq for triatomic gas is 75%, whereas dW by dq into 100, so which is equal to gamma minus of 1 4 by 3 minus of 1 divide by 4 by 3 into 100, right. So 4 minus of 3, 1 by 3 divide by 4 by 3, 1 by 4 into 100. So look at here, dW by dq into 100, so which is equal to 25% for triatomic gas. So hope you get this thing. Look at here, we got that equation for change in internal energy which is equal to 1 by gamma. So that is external work done, dW by dq, which is equal to gamma minus of 1 divided by gamma here for monoatomic gas, for diatomic gas and for triatomic gas. Look at here, we are discussing about that thermodynamics process, right. So hope you remember, in case of thermodynamics I said that, so there are 5 thermodynamics process are there. So what are those? Quasi-static process as well as adiabatic process. So these are all the informations related to quasi-static process as well as quasi-static process as well as isobaric process, so those are quasi-static process as well as isobaric process. Now we'll look after about that isochoric process. In case of isobaric process, pressure is constant. Next we'll look after about that isochoric process. So these are all small informations. quasi-static as well as isobaric and isochoric process. There is no much content for our syllabus, so actual syllabus is isothermal as well as adiabatic. So next we'll discuss about that isochoric, and next in that next class we'll discuss about that isothermal as well as adiabatic. Here look at here, so we are in the discussion of thermodynamic process. Quasi-static process we got, and as well as isobaric process also we got. Next we'll discuss about that another thermodynamics process, that is isochoric process. That third process is isochoric process. So next ಯಾವ process ಇದು? Isochoric process. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ isochoric process ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? So in this process the system undergoes change in temperature and pressure. ಆ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿನ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ at constant volume. Look at here, in case of isochoric process which of the quantities remains same? Here volume is remains same. In this system or in this process, look at here, in this process the system undergoes, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋಸ್ change in temperature and pressure. ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿನಲ್ಲಿನ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಅಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ? ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? Look at here, if volume is constant means what about the work done in case of isochoric process? Look at here, if dV is equal to constant, then dW value is how much? dW ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ? P into dV. ಇಲ್ಲಿ dV ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಸೊ dV ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Look at here, work done in case of isochoric process is 0. Why? Because at constant volume work done is 0. That is, work done by the gas or on the gas, by the gas or on the gas at constant volume is 0. ಹೌದಾ? ಗ್ಯಾಸಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ಯಾಸಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಗೆ, ಸೊ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಆ ಗ್ಯಾಸಿನ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆವಾಗ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ quasi-static process, as well as isobaric and isochoric process. Hope you get these things.